The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, rear defrost, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.